Hello mates, $10 to $20 per hour. How are you? I'm back again with my new video. Before watching my video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give thumb up to my channel. Your likes and these concerns would be appreciated, and if you need to know everything about online earning and cryptocurrencies, then don't hesitate to comment below, and the website's links in the description below. Okay, now all we have to do is just search and search and search. Okay, now what do you search? Search anything you want. For example, let me search something. Here we go. Now you can see results. If I go one of these websites, I'm going to get money. Okay, and I will search again how to make paper plane. Okay, here is the another results. So just click on this button and do this over and over again, and then search new items over and over again. Now who is going to pay us? The website who is going to pay us is Lion Bridge. What they do? Okay, hello, watch us build a more connected world. Breaking barriers, building bridges. Our people are our pride. It all starts with you. Opportunities to work with us on interesting projects around the world. Every language, every industry, one platform. Humanity plus AI equal to maximum speed and resonance. Meet the power of global brand meaning. So this website is pretty good, and you can see that they are giving us money by just searching on internet, and we can search thousands times, and if they give us money. Alright, our number 2 website is Appen. Now Appen is a leading global software provider optimized its e-commerce UX sales. Now what does it do? It also does the same thing that does with the Lion Bridge. Data with human touch, high quality training data for machine learning enhanced by human interaction. Appen provides high quality training data to improve machine learning at scale. Put AI to work for your business. Better data, better products. Training data for machine learning. The Appen difference trusted by 8 out of the top 10 global technology companies. So don't you worry, these are the most trustworthy website, and they are gonna give us money. Scale with a crowd of 1,000,000 plus people in over 130 countries, working in more than 180 languages and dialects. We help ramp up resources so our clients get the training data they need for machine learning and AI. We have built a strong reputation as a provider of high quality data sets that meets the specific needs of our client and fuel their machine learning and artificial intelligence initiatives. Experience. With over 20 years of experience working with global firms in multiple industries, Appen has a proven track record of providing large data sets and quality of training data our clients need to succeed. Now you can see the fame here. They're so much famous. You can see also about them. They have so much headquarters: United Kingdom, Philippines, San Francisco, Detroit, China, Seattle, Australia, United States, everywhere. If you want to know anything about them, you can click on them about. They have industries, they have solution of these things. They have services: annotation, collection, consultative services, content moderation, crowdsourcing, entity verification, evaluation, field testing, linguistic personalization, query categorization, secure services, spam detection, transcription, secure speech data. So there are lots of services in their website, and they give us money by just searching. So I think that's a pretty unique idea to get money. And now, how do you know that it's most trustworthy website? You have to just go to alexa.com/siteinfo/lionbridge.com. Okay, how popular is Lion Bridge? Global rank in 26863 on the earth. You can imagine that this website is pretty more fabulous website on the earth. You can see also 17,932. It is the rank in the United States, and it's so much famous in the United States, so you don't have to worry about anything. So let's see, what about the Appen? How popular is Appen.com? 14,131, and rank in the United States is 4,942. Alright, you can see that this website is more famous than lionbridge.com, so you don't have to worry about anything. That's it. Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you subscribe my channel.